Now, here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And we are looking at the cold stuff sticking here in southern New England right through the rest of the day and actually into the nighttime tonight. Let's take a look at what's going on locally. Our live city cam picture. We've got lots of blue skies, plenty of sunshine. Unfortunately, the cold air is winning out here. So much cold air, it's tough to really warm things up. In Providence, we've got 14 degrees at the moment. Now you factor in the wind and it feels like it's 3 below zero. Wind from the west-northwest, 18 miles an hour. Gloucester is warmed all the way up to 11. They've got a blend of clouds and sunshine. Newport at 14 with a wind from the west at 9. Feels like it's 2 degrees with loads of sunshine down there. Temperatures elsewhere, we've got 18 in Taunton, 14 in Westerly, out on Block Island, 14 degrees. You factor in the wind and you can see everywhere it's in the single digits or just below zero. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. It's quiet right now. We had a little batch of snow squalls come on through this morning. Long gone, but you can kind of see the effects out there. We've got a light coating of snow across the region. Remember yesterday about this time? It was gorgeous, close to 60 degrees. Well, many areas are much colder right now. 45 degrees colder in Smithfield, 41 degrees colder in Providence, 24-hour temperature change of 39 degrees in Newport. Down there, URI, it's a lot colder as well. Lots of sun, 14 degrees at the moment. You can see it's it looks nice down there, but it certainly doesn't feel nice with that wind chill factor. Newport Harbor, you can see we get some white caps in the harbor. A few clouds working their way in off of the ocean. Fairly quiet in terms of precipitation, just cold everywhere. That's the story for the daytime today. A lot of cold air clouds off to our south and east associated with the cold air blowing over that relatively warm water. For today, Arctic air is in place. It's going to remain in place through the nighttime tonight. In fact, look at this big chunk of Arctic air across the region. Atlanta finally warmer than us. They're up to 17 degrees. Orlando, though, 44 degrees. You get the scope of this big chunk of cold air. It's going to be working its way out of the United States over the next 24, 36 hours or so. A slow warm-up is on the way. Here's your Futurecast for the afternoon, topping out in the mid-teens and then falling back by 4:30 to 10 o'clock. And then overnight, we're looking at a low temperature, 6, 7, 8 degrees or so. And then for tomorrow morning, we're going to be seeing a warm-up through the teens and into the low to mid-20s in the afternoon. So a bit of a warm-up for tomorrow. We'll see more of a warm-up gradually throughout the rest of the week. At the bus stops this afternoon, you probably still need the hats, the gloves, the scarves, plenty of sunshine, but as we've talked about, ineffective sun, only about 14 degrees or so at 3 p.m. 15 degrees on the east side for your high temperatures, which will take place the next hour or two, and then temperatures will begin to fall back. Winds from the west, 10, 20 miles an hour will make all of these temperatures feel like the single digits or just below zero. 15 in Charlestown, Newport 16. Expect dropping temperatures after about 2, 3 o'clock or so in Woonsocket and Scituate and Johnston. Temperatures will feel like they're below zero there. Over into Fall River and Taunton, about 15 to 16 degrees in New Bedford with lots of sunshine, but feeling much colder with that wind chill factor. 7-day Futurecast, bit of a warm-up tomorrow, more of a warm-up on Thursday. Now on Friday, back to average, about 40 degrees. On Saturday, we've got 49 degrees. Problem is, we've got the forecast of some rain, some of which could be heavy, maybe some gusty winds. Right now, that Patriots game up there in Foxborough looks like a wet and gusty kind of a game, much like their last game that they played. Sunday, we are looking at a blend of clouds and sun, still kind of mild and staying relatively mild into early next week. But for the next 24 to 36 hours, very cold temperatures here in southern New England.
All right, TJ, thank you.